Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera for all of us. Good morning, Mr. Lecturer Arif Hidayatullah, SPD, MPD, and all friends in class. Praise or gratitude to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, and not forgetting also salawat and greeting are always stafid to the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. We from Group 4, consisting of me, Erimela Setiana, as a moderator, and let me introduce my colleagues.
And I, Sani Kusumawardhani, you can call me Sani.
And I, Nuri Isnain Masdiana, you can call me Neni.
I'm Nora Rizkia, you can call me Nora.
I'm Liana Andi Kunedias, you can call me Liana.
Operator, please screen. Hello everyone. Today we will present our paper entitled Vocational High School and Present Perfect Tense and Present Perfect Continuous Tense. Okay, let's just look at the carefully. The first explanation will be delivered by Liana. To Liana, I was invited.
Article 1. Vocational Education Perspective on Curriculum 2020 and its role in economic development. Economic growth is essential for a country. Economic growth is built to reflect and increase in the society's welfare. To increase economic growth, a strategy which is considered effective is through the industrialization. Skilled workers who are not only able to operate the technology but also able to maintain its needs in the process of industrialization. Therefore, in order to support economic growth, vocational education becomes important. In China, the development of vocational education began in the Confucian states, late 19th century to early 20th century. The qualification system, Kultur in 1830 and the liberal system in 1870 implemented by the Dutch government in its colony. The Dutch states in this were political threats with extraditory at French government in this case in the 2013 curriculum. Next. The purpose of Curriculum 2013 is to support the success of vocational education programs globally through research efforts to prepare human resources in order to have the ability to live as individuals and citizens who are religious, productive, creative, innovative, skilled and effective, and able to contribute to the life of society, nations, states, and world civilization. Effort to maximize the contribution of vocational education for economic development can be done in 4 ways. 1. Offering vocational education based on the characteristics of Indonesia. 2. Strengthening the link and match with the world of work. 3. Integrating soft skills into learning. And 4. implementing entrepreneurship education. Opinion. Vocational education, especially in vocational high school SMK, not only aims to produce graduates ready to work, but also produce productive, creative, innovative human through strengthening effective attitudes, skills, and integrate knowledge in the present where the economy is very difficult. So it's very necessary to grow economic growth by fostering the role of vocational education for economic growth. With the existence of vocational high schools, the nation's children can realize and increase economic growth with skills and knowledge they have.
Thank you, Tuliana, for the explanation. And to complete the next percentage, will be delivered by Nora. To Nora, I was invited.
Thank you, Erin. Article 2. Evaluation Program of Subject Teacher Working Group and Information Technology Workshop at High School to Toraja Utara. Education is one of the keys to the success of a country's progress. Sihotang state the some of the more advanced neighboring countries such as Malaysia, China, and Singapore showed that the quality of human resources had more impact that made the country progress than with natural resources. So it is not wrong if education always gets attention from various parties, especially the government. This is evidenced by the allocation of state's budget funds of 20% for the education sector. With the increase in the allocation of funds, which is expected to be in line with improving the quality of education, which talks about improving the quality of education. It cannot be separated from educational efforts. Working group teacher subjects is a working group for teachers who teach the same subjects as a forum for improving the competence of professional teachers. Next. This study is an evaluation activity for the subject teacher working group program and Google Classroom workshop, WebEx, and Blogspot workshop at High School to Toraja Utara on May 29 to October 2020, the odd semester of the 2020 until 2021 school year. Working group activities and workshops of subject teachers coordinated by team and the school curriculum and its costs come from the school. In this case, both team, both funds. The evaluation model it will be used is CEPP model, or context, input, process, and product. Namely, 1. Context evaluation is the situation and background that influences program planning workshop. 2. Input evaluation is the quality of input. 3. Evaluation of the process in the implementation of activities and use of facilities in accordance with planning. 4. Product evaluation is the result achieved. Opinion. Improving the quality of education depends on many aspects. One of the ways achieved to improve the quality of the current teaching staff is by holding a work team for educators who have similar skills. One of them is the quality of educator, which is the main milestone in improving the quality of human resources in Indonesia. This motto is very important so that educators are willing and able to create quality learning and creative supportive learning tools. So, in order to improve the quality of education in Indonesia, a very large allocation of funds from the state budget. Because every educator and every school has different needs, the material provided cannot be the same.
Thank you to Nora, his explanation. The next material will be conveyed by Nur Isnaini. To Nur Isnaini, I was invited.
Okay, thank you, Erin. Article 3. Students' perception or teachers' creativity in implementing home learning at SMK Uthamas. The rapid spread of the COVID-19 pandemic has created a disruption in Indonesia's education sector as around 45 million students are unable to continue their learning activity in schools. Statistik Indonesia 2020. The Indonesian government policies in reacting to this outbreak are to apply the rule of social distancing to all degrees of society, even in a few major urban communities in Indonesia. The PSBB, or large-scale social restriction, is likewise extruded to break the chain of spreading this infection. The rapid spread of COVID-19 has forced government to close schools and enforce at-home distance learning. During the pandemic, schools are shut. However, the learning process should proceed. Various initiatives are underway to ensure study activities continue despite the absence of face-to-face schooling. One alternative to replace the traditional classroom method is by using a home learning program. Moreover, some students think that online school is confusing to adjust to as we have not been prepared for simulation or practice beforehand. To overcome those issues, teachers' creativity in need to find a method of how to manage class, how to develop curriculum, how to create teaching material, how to select and to use media of learning, and how to evaluate the teaching and learning process in implementing home learning program. Next. This research uses descriptive qualitative research, so the number of samples is 60 participants. Finally, the data collected were analyzed qualitative using percentages. This research took place at SMK Duta Mas, Jakarta. Qualitative research is expected to help especially to understand a case and not only look at its cause lead, but try to understand the case study. In data collection, valid and reliable questionnaires with classic questions were given to respondents. Next. Opinion. Even though the scores of students' perception of teacher creativity in implementing home learning program in SMK Duta Mas is high, but they should improve their ability in creating media for teaching because in implementing home learning program, teachers have to be more creative in delivering the lesson, especially using online learning application to make the lesson more meaningful and motivate. Other than that, the teachers ought to be strived to improve their capacity and their expertise to look and to discover or to joining some new procedures of encouraging home learning programs to make the teaching and learning process enjoyable for the students. The determination of choose techniques and strategies of to likewise consider the students' monetary capacity and accessibility of web access with the goal that the home learning project can run more viable and proficient. Therefore, educational institution or schools should provide their teachers with adequate training and support in information and communication technology or ICT, and also home learning program pedagogy to enhance learning during this exceptional time. Thank you.
Thank you to Nur Isnaini, his explanation. The next material will be conveyed by Sunny. To Sunny, I was invited.
Okay, thank you, Erin. Present perfect tense. Positive. Formula 1. I or you or we or they plus have plus verb 3. 2. He or she or it plus has plus verb 3. Example 1. They have lived in Jakarta for a long time. 2. He has learned English for 1 year. Negative. Formula 1. I or you or we or they plus have plus not plus verb 3. 2. He or she or it plus has plus not plus verb 3. Example 1. They have not lived in Jakarta for a long time. 2. He has not learned English for 1 year. Interrogative. Formula 1. Have plus I or you or we or they plus verb 3. 2. Has plus he or she or it plus verb 3. Example 1. Have they lived in Jakarta for a long time? 2. Has he learned English for 1 year? Present perfect tense. Has or have plus past participle. The first step, past. Activity start in the past and continues to the present. And the last step is future. Word used for and times. Used to show how long a time period lasts. Example of sentences. I have lived in New York for 5 years. For can be omitted in a present perfect tense sentence because the adverb of this time can still be understood even though it is not accompanied by a sentences. Example, positive, he has worked here for several years. Negative, he has not worked here for several years. Interrogative, for how long has he worked here? There are some verbs that cannot be used together with the word for, such as example, he can arrive meet and leave stop. She has arrived in New York for 2 years. Signs used to indicate when a period of time begins. Example of sentences: I have lived in New York since 5 years ago. Signs cannot be omitted in the present perfect tense because it can eliminate the function of the adverb of time itself and the meaning of the sentence. Example, plus, positive. Has he worked here since June? Not. He has worked here June. Negative. He has not worked since June. Not. He has not worked June. Interrogative. Since when has he worked here? Not. When has he worked here? Use of present perfect tense, namely 1. To describe an event that started in the past and is still continuing today. 2. To explain events that start and ended in the end, their effects still continue to this day. 3. To show that an event occurred repeatedly in the past. 4. To express an event that just happened or was done.
Thank you to Sunny. His explanation. The last material will be delivered by myself. Present perfect continuous tense. Definition. Express an activity is in progress right now. An activity that began in the past continues in the present. Present perfect continuous tense. The focus is more on the action than the result. Next. Time expression. Sin. Used to indicate when a period of time begins. 4. Used to show how a long of time period lasts. Formula. Positive subject plus have or has plus been plus verb 1 ing. Negative subject plus not plus been plus verb 1 ing. Question. Interrogative have or has plus subject plus been plus verb 1 ing. Negative interrogative have or has plus not plus been plus verb 1 ing. Notice I have, I've, you have, you've, we have, we've, they have, they've, he has, his, she has, his, it has, it. Next. Example. Positive. I've been waiting for an hour. Negative. The cat has not been living there. Interrogative. Have you been studying English for 6 months? Negative interrogative. Have we not been working since 2002? Punctuation. Number 1. To sustain an event, occurrence, or action that has been done in the past and the action is still going today and is likely to continue into the future. Number 2. To the stating an event or that has been done repeatedly until now. Next. Either our friends have listened to the explanation of the vocational high school and present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. That's the presentation that we can convey. We from group 4, please say goodbye and retreat themselves. Thank you for your attention and apologize if there are errors both word and deed. The adulterated Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wabarakatuh.